Hey y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is Craftmas episode 41. So I figured we'd make a cute Christmas shirt. So we are using the black schlub long sleeve Bellin canvas in size medium. We're also going to be using the red glitter and the sky blue Glitter Flex Ultra. These are both by Specialty Materials, and the file that I am using is the Cozy Nights file from the Christmas collection by the Hungry JPEG. I will have it linked down in the description box down below if you're interested in purchasing it. Now remember, if you do purchase off of it, I do get a small commission. So you're gonna need that, your t-shirt guide, your Teflon sheet, your Easy Weeding wooden pick, and I've already got my heat press preheated to 330 degrees. Now if you'll give me a moment, I'll get the camera angle changed so you can see everything that we are going to do. So first thing I'm going to do is weed my vinyl, which this is the Sky Blue by Specialty Materials. It is an absolutely gorgeous color, and I'm not sure if you can see on camera really how pretty it is. If I can stick my little thingies back down. There we go. Grab that one. I cut off a snowflake when I was trimming around everything. It's okay. We'll just remove that. Okay. So now let's place this piece back down where it goes. Easy peasy, lemon breezy. Is that what it's supposed to say? I'm not sure if that's the way the saying goes. Lemon squeezy. My husband, as you can tell, he does not want to be on camera and doesn't want to talk to me like at all. But it's okay. Y'all want to talk to me and listen to me, even if he doesn't. They know what I mean. He doesn't like to be on camera. I really don't either, but I'm getting more used to it every day. I love this file. And I'll probably go back and add the other snowflake in. But as you can see, it says Cozy Nights, Hot Cocoa, and Christmas Cheer. I love anything that has to do with Christmas. So what we're gonna do now is load the t-shirt on. This is just a Bellin canvas slub. And what I mean by slub is like a burnout material. It's kind of see-through. But you can't see really well through it. Like once you have it on, it's not like you're wearing mesh. Ah! I almost twisted my ankle. That's what I get for wearing heels. Heels are not my friend, but they look cute. Okay, so I lined up my t-shirt guide with the top two corners. Now I'm going to fold my design in half. There we go. Stick my little whisker thingies back on if it wants to cooperate. Well, it's hot in here because we haven't had the AC on, and since the heat press is going, it makes it where it wants to lift a little bit. So there we go. Line it up center. See how we're starting this about 3 fingers down from the neck. Now we're gonna flip those stupid little whisker thingies back down. They look cute, at least. Fix it. I had to fix that one little corner over there. Thank you, honey. There we go. See, now they're all flat. And when it's hot and you've already lifted it from the vinyl, it doesn't want to always go back down. So the heat press is heated to 330 degrees. The first pressing we're going to do for 7 seconds, and then we'll do the second pressing for a full 15. Yep. Really, you're gonna do this to me now? There we go. Those will stay on the full 15. So now we're just going to lay out our red. Looks pretty straight to me. And I love getting a new Christmas shirt. I have so many in my closet because I always find so many new designs to make every year. But to me, you can never have enough Christmas shirts. Maybe I'm weird like that. And what's funny is, I don't know, I've said this before, when I was young, like as a kid, I hated to wear any holiday wear. And now, like as soon as it's like this time of year, I'm gonna start wearing Christmas stuff. So, there we go. And now we have a done Christmas shirt. Now look how cute that is. Perfectly centered and straight. The design and the colors are awesome. Hold on, if it helps if I hold the shirt straight. But I love, 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 love this. So remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when we post new videos, which for Craftmas is every single day of the week. Don't forget to check out all my social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, as well as my second channel, which is just Betsy Gocher and is all things makeup and Disney. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye.